Welcome to the Abundance Vortex. I am your guide, Heidi Leatherby. Today, I will discuss a topic that is a bit different from others on this channel so far. We will embark on an illuminating journey, delving into the compelling reasons why someone in their 40s should consider starting a faceless YouTube channel. Picture yourself sitting in a tranquil room, the soft glow of your computer screen casting a gentle light on your face as you contemplate this new venture. As we navigate through the myriad benefits and transformative possibilities, let your mind drift, visualizing the impact you can create and the personal growth you will experience. In the digital age, the concept of a faceless YouTube channel offers a unique and liberating opportunity. Imagine the freedom that comes with anonymity. As a creator, you can express your thoughts, share your knowledge, and connect with your audience without the constraints of personal identity. This sense of liberation can be particularly empowering for those in their 40s, a time of life often characterized by introspection and self-discovery. Starting a faceless YouTube channel allows you to channel your creativity in unprecedented ways. Envision yourself crafting videos that captivate and inspire, focusing on the content rather than the creator. This approach enables you to experiment with different formats, from storytelling and educational content to tutorials and commentary, all without the pressure of being on camera. Your ideas take center stage, and your creativity flourishes in this unrestricted environment. At 40, you possess a wealth of life experience and knowledge that can profoundly impact your audience. Picture yourself sharing insights gained from years of personal and professional growth. Whether it's career advice, parenting tips, financial wisdom, or health and wellness strategies, your unique perspective resonates deeply with viewers seeking guidance and inspiration. Your channel becomes a beacon of wisdom, offering valuable lessons and fostering meaningful connections. Starting a faceless YouTube channel opens the door to building a vibrant and engaged community. Imagine creating a safe space where individuals from all walks of life can come together to discuss, learn, and support one another. Your channel becomes a hub of interaction where subscribers feel a sense of belonging and camaraderie. Through comments, live chats, and community posts, you cultivate relationships that transcend the virtual realm, forging bonds that enrich your life and the lives of your viewers. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and starting a faceless YouTube channel positions you at the forefront of this dynamic environment. As technology advances and platforms diversify, you have the opportunity to adapt and grow alongside these changes. Visualize yourself exploring new trends, embracing innovative tools, and staying ahead of the curve. Your channel evolves with the times, ensuring relevance and longevity in a rapidly shifting digital world. The journey of creating and maintaining a faceless YouTube channel is not just about sharing content. It's a path of personal growth and fulfillment. Imagine the sense of accomplishment that comes with overcoming challenges, learning new skills, and seeing your channel thrive. As you navigate the intricacies of content creation, you develop resilience, adaptability, and a renewed sense of purpose. This endeavor becomes a transformative experience, enriching your life in ways you never imagined. For For those in their 40s, achieving a harmonious work-life balance is often a priority. Starting a Faceless YouTube channel offers the flexibility to create content on your terms, fitting seamlessly into your existing schedule. Picture yourself working from the comfort of your home, setting your own hours, and maintaining control over your creative process. This balance allows you to pursue your passion without sacrificing time with loved ones or neglecting other responsibilities. In addition to personal fulfillment, a Faceless YouTube channel presents opportunities for financial gain. Envision monetizing your channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise, and other income streams. Your content becomes not only a source of inspiration, but also a viable business venture. With dedication and strategic planning, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income, providing financial security and independence. Starting a YouTube channel in your 40s challenges age-related stereotypes and societal expectations. Imagine breaking free from the notion that digital content creation is reserved for younger generations. Your presence in the YouTube community defies these stereotypes, demonstrating that creativity and innovation know no age limits. You become a role model, inspiring others to pursue their dreams regardless of age. Finally, consider the legacy you create through your Faceless YouTube channel. Your content becomes a lasting testament to your thoughts, experiences, and passions. Picture future generations discovering your videos, finding solace and inspiration in your words. Your channel becomes a digital time capsule, preserving your wisdom and creativity for years to come. As you embark on the exciting journey of creating a Faceless YouTube channel, one of the most critical steps is selecting the right niche. This decision will shape your content, define your audience, and ultimately determine the success of your channel. Today, we will delve into the art of choosing a niche with a particular focus on creating engaging and informative how-to videos. Imagine yourself setting sail on a vast ocean of possibilities, navigating through the waters of creativity and strategy to find the perfect niche that resonates with your passions and expertise. Understand your interests and passions. The first step in choosing a niche is to reflect on your interests and passions. Picture yourself in a serene setting, perhaps a quiet garden or a cozy study, as you ponder the activities and topics that bring you joy and fulfillment. What hobbies or skills are you most passionate about? Whether it's cooking, gardening, DIY crafts, tech tutorials, or fitness, selecting a niche that aligns with your genuine interests will ensure that you remain motivated and enthusiastic about creating content. Identify your expertise. Next, consider your areas of expertise. Visualize yourself as a lighthouse, illuminating the path for others with your knowledge and skills. What subjects do you excel in? Your expertise will lend credibility to your channel and make your how-to videos more valuable to viewers. Think about the skills you have honed over the years, whether through your profession, hobbies, or personal experiences. Your unique insights and proficiency will set your channel apart and attract an engaged audience. Research market demand. With your interests and expertise in mind, it's time to research market demand. Picture yourself as an explorer, uncovering hidden treasures of information. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube search suggestions, and keyword research platforms to identify popular topics and trends within your potential niches. Look for niches that have a healthy level of interest but are not oversaturated with competition. Finding a balance between demand and competition will help you carve out a space where your channel can thrive. Evaluate audience needs. Consider the needs and preferences of your potential audience. Imagine yourself as a wise sage, understanding the desires and challenges of those you seek to help. What problems can you solve? What questions can you answer? Your how-to videos should address specific pain points or provide valuable solutions that your audience is actively seeking. By focusing on content that meets the needs of your viewers, you create a loyal and appreciative audience base. Analyze competitor channels. Take a closer look at competitor channels within your chosen niche. Envision yourself as a detective, meticulously analyzing the content and strategies of other creators. What types of how-to videos are they producing? What is their content format and style? How do they engage with their audience? Understanding the landscape of your niche will help you identify opportunities for differentiation and innovation. Look for gaps in the market or areas where you can offer a unique perspective or approach. Consider long-term viability. As you narrow down your niche options, think about the long-term viability of your chosen topic. Picture yourself as a gardener, planting seeds that will grow and flourish over time. Will your niche remain relevant and interesting in the future? Can you envision yourself consistently creating content in this niche for years to come? Choosing a niche with lasting appeal ensures that your channel remains sustainable and continues to attract viewers as trends evolve. Test and refine your content. Once you have selected a niche, it's important to test and refine your content. Imagine yourself as an alchemist, experimenting with different elements to create the perfect formula. Start by producing a few how-to videos in your chosen niche and gauge the response from your audience. Pay attention to engagement metrics, viewer feedback, and overall reception. Use this information to fine-tune your content strategy, making adjustments as needed to better serve your audience and achieve your goals. Stay authentic and true to yourself. Throughout this process, remember to stay authentic and true to yourself. Visualize yourself as a beacon of authenticity, shining brightly in a sea of content. Your unique voice, perspective, and personality are what will ultimately attract and retain viewers. Avoid the temptation to chase trends or mimic other creators at the expense of your authenticity. Instead, focus on creating content that genuinely reflects your passions and expertise, and trust that your audience will connect with your authenticity. In conclusion, dear listener, choosing the perfect niche for your Faceless YouTube channel, especially for how-to videos, is a journey of self-discovery, research, and strategic planning. Reflect on your interests and passions, identify your areas of expertise, and research market demand. Evaluate the needs of your audience, analyze competitor channels, and consider the long-term viability of your chosen niches. Test and refine your content, and above all, stay authentic and true to yourself. By following these steps, you will find a niche that not only resonates with you, but also captivates and inspires your audience, setting the stage for a successful and fulfilling YouTube journey. Thank you for taking the time to delve into the abundance vortex.